Hi, it's Donna Guest, the Lazy Scrapbooker, and welcome to another Retro Tuesday tip. I'm taking my older Facebook Lives and editing them here for a YouTube playlist. This one was recorded live back in 2021, and it currently lives in my son's third grade scrapbook. You know I love any layout that uses scraps and is easy to create. It gives a big impact showing off several paper designs without much work, and that's what I'm all about. Let's get started. So I've already cut some of these to save time, and you'll notice I have these little pieces of paper. They're all from the same collection. So I've already got my pictures here cropped, and the little flyer I've cut up into 3 pieces so it will fit a little better. And I'm going to create the pattern down this side here. So I'll set this aside, and I want to have a background page. So if you can see this, I'm using from the collection. It's got little check marks, little X's actually, in various colors. I chose the size to do 3/4 inch width by 2.5 inch length. So that creates a very small little strip there. You could do it bigger if you wanted to. And then just using my repositionable tape runner, that is the one that's the green one, and that's important because I'm probably going to make a mistake. I'm going to create this little brick pattern here down the side of my page. You could do this horizontally. I'm going to do it vertically as kind of a border, although some of it's going to be cut up, or covered up, excuse me. I'm just trying not to put the same pattern next to itself. All of these are coming from the same collection, so they're going to match. And here's one that's going to be hanging off the page, and that's okay. The purples actually look a bit better on here. It's so dark, it's a good contrast, so I think I'm going to use more of those, more darker colors. And even if it is up next to itself like this, I'm okay. I'm just going to do 3 strips here. Okay, great. And I'll just trim the excess off. I could use a trimmer, but I think I can do this with scissors. Always easier to do from the back side so you can see exactly where it is. If I had a bunch of them, I would certainly use my trimmer and just do one big satisfying slice. I want to experiment with this later and do some different colors perhaps. Oh my gosh, this little 3rd grader, I just want to squeeze those cheeks. So cute. But there we go. There's the page. I could replace this with a purple if I wanted to and make them a few darker colors, but I kind of like all the different colors there. So there are endless patterns that you can use. There's lots of different papers and make this your own. So it's just a little brick pattern there on the side, or you could certainly do it horizontally, and you could do it all the way across 2 pages that way. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you look forward to the next Tuesday tip right here each Tuesday.